Hello, I'm Allison from Slideform, and I just wanted to show you today an example of how to create slides or entire presentations in bulk based on data in a Google Sheet. So here's how we can automate and create slides or presentations in big batches together. So I'm using an example from a vacation property rental agency. And this is the template that I'm going to use to create a bunch of slides, one slide for each of the properties in the management portfolio. So on the slide, we have the year, the name of the property, and a bunch of metrics about that property. We also have an image of the property, which is going to be pulled in from Google Drive. Finally, rounding it out, we have a date that the slides were created and the image of our agency logo. So I'm going to create this one slide multiple times for each of the different cabins that we're managing. Here's the data behind the report. So we have it set up with property name and year. Notice that there are multiple years for each property, and then all of the metrics for those properties in a given year. We also have the pictures of the properties linked in Google Drive. And now I'm going to run this together in bulk mode within Slideform to create a slide deck that includes all of the properties that I'm interested in for the year 2023. So we go in here and we see our project represented as a card. Click on bulk mode, and in this, you're going to step through a series of options in the wizard. First of all, we want to group together all of the slides that are generated into a single presentation file. Then I'm going to copy the URL of the datasheet and put it in here to be read into Slideform. Slideform indexes through that data, and it presents us with a couple more options to map those data fields into our slide deck. We have our data sheet. We can filter the data. As I said, I want to filter it to the year 2023. And now we're going to choose how to map each of the columns in the data sheet to the slide deck. The slide deck placeholders are represented in column 2. You'll notice that some of the fields in my data sheet don't have a place to go in the slide deck, and that's perfectly fine. Finally, we have our images that are found in the image, property image column, and we map that correctly as well. Now all you have to do is click Create Presentations, and Slideform will do its work in the background and generate our slide deck for us. All right, let's jump in and see the results. The output slide deck will be shown under All Downloads, and we click in to see that. It'll be shown as a Google slide deck. So here we have 4 slides representing 4 different properties in the year 2023. You can see that all the fields are filled in with the appropriate data from the Google Sheet, and the image is pulled in from Google Drive. Now, instead of copying and pasting all of these numbers and pictures, I can quickly create a slide deck that provides an overview of all of the information I need quickly and easily. If you're interested in Slideform, please visit us at slideform.co. Thanks.